Is everybody ready? Thank you. Why are you so nice for? You gonna feed the elephants? Okay. If you're ready, let me hear a big round of applause. All right, let's get this thing started, okay? The first act I have for you today, there's these really big animals. Really big animals. They're gray, and they have a really long nose. It's okay. What do you think that is? An elephant. We have our very own rainbow elephants. Would you like for me to bring them out?
Yeah.
I would do that, but I'm a little bit nervous, so I'm going to bring my tamer out. I have an animal tamer, and his name is Courageous Easton, and he's going to come out with his elephant. Yes, there we go. Can we see you?
Easton.
All right, Easton. Courageous Easton.
I
I want to ask you some questions. All right? Let's find out some information about this. How long have you been an animal tamer?
20 years.
20 years. That's a very long time. So, was it hard to be an animal tamer? It was. Did you have to go to school to learn? No? You just figured it out on your own? Well, what is this thing? Is it a whip? Do you use it to make the animals do what you want? Well, let me see you do that whip. Oh, my goodness. Does it hurt? It does hurt, so you're really careful not to hurt the animals. Are you ready to bring your animals out? The elephants? All right, we have Colossal Carter and Jumbo Jackson. Can you make one? Yes. Yes. Well, I know during practice, because we practiced a little yesterday, didn't we? They did a really good job. They had some really hard tricks to do, but they did a really good job. Do you think they'll do it again today? You sure? All right, bring them out here. Come on out here, boys. Come on out here, boys. Come on here, boys. Oh, my goodness. They were really big. Really, really big. All right, let's see. Can you get those big animals to put their front foot on that barrel? Yes. Good job. Good job. That's really good. But can you get them to do 2 feet?
2 feet.
2 feet, boys. Yes. Great. Great job. All right, now, I know yesterday when we did it, you got them to turn around in a circle, spin around in a circle. Can they spin?
Spin, boys.
Spin, boys. Gosh, they're so big. Very, very big. That's hard. Great. Good job. Good job. And now, I'm going to see, can you make them follow you in a circle?
Hey, baby.
Follow me, boys. Oh, that's
Very good.
That's very good.
Oh, Easton.
Good job. Now can you go back to your spot, boys?
Go back to the spot.
Yes, good job. Good job. Now I'm going to ask you one more thing. I know yesterday they did this, but I don't know if they'll do it today because there's a lot of people watching today. Can you get them to stand up on their hind legs?
Stand up on your hind legs, boys.
Up on your hind legs like this, boys? Can you do it like this? Oh, yes. Good job. Now, I have a lot of little kids right there, and I think they might want to pet your elephants on the head. You think it's safe? Will you take them down and let the animals? All right, go ahead. Say, follow me, boys.
Follow me, boys.
If you want to pet the elephants, you can. You want to pet them? Look, pet their head. Yeah, good job. What are elephants? What kind of noise do elephants make? I haven't heard them. They're really quiet elephants today.
Oh, that one in the back. I need sound. Do it again.
There you go. That elephant over there got fed. I saw that. Did you eat something? Back to your cage, boys. Good job. That was awesome. You high five. Can I take that? Let's hear a round of applause for our elephant and our tamer. Thank you. Let's get them back in here. Let's go back, boys. Come on, boys.
Well, you drop it. You drop it down.
Okay, that's fine.